Hello and welcome back to today's video. Now, many people find it difficult paying for a prop firm account via crypto or even paying for whatever online via crypto. So in today's video, I am going to be doing justice to that. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Bybit. Now you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store. So I'm using a regular Android phone for the purpose of this video because there are more Android phone users out there. So that was why I picked Android phone for this video. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and download Bybit. The link to doing that is going to be in the description of this video down below. So after downloading it, you want to open an account. You know how to open an account online, fill in your details. Then number two, you want to get verified. So after opening the account, before you perform any transaction, I recommend you get verified. Now there are different verification options you can choose from. You can either use your BVN if you're in Nigeria, or you can use your identity card, your passport, whatever. There are different options to choose from just to make the verification process smooth and easy. And then there's something else called Google Authenticator. There'll be a prompt for you to set it up. All right. So I'm not going to be going into all of that for now, but you should just follow the prompt. You'll be fine. Just set up your Google authentication and you are good to go. So once you are in, you now want to, first of all, if you don't have any USDT, because for the purpose of this video, we are going to be buying a prop firm account using USDT. So USDT is a form of crypto, is a stable coin, all right, more like a digital US dollar. So we are going to be using that for the purpose of this video. So come to deposits/buy with fiat or P2P. The focus on P2P here, or we can also click on more. Then if we click on more, then you can see P2P trading here. Then click on that. We'll go to P2P. So the meaning of P2P is basically peer-to-peer. All right. So on this list, you want to look for any price that suits you, any favorable price, if you know what that means. So I'm in Nigeria. The amount you're seeing on your screen now is how much I need to pay in Naira to acquire 1 USDT. So you can just scroll down and pick from the list. So on this video, I'm going to be buying a 5K account for $10. All right, there's a discount ongoing. I already did a video on that. The link is in the description of this video down below. So I need $10 to $11 worth of USDT. So I'm just going to come to amount here and click on that. Then under this amount, I'll click anywhere around, say, 17,000 Naira, all right, so that it can filter the list and I'll be able to get exactly what I am looking for. So I'll click on confirm. All right, cool. So I'll just go with crypto sugar. So I'll hit the buy button. So what I want to do here now is to enter the amount of USDT I am willing to buy. So I'll start with 17,000. Then you can see 17,000 is going to give me 10.7 USDT. I actually want 11 USDT. So I'll put maybe 17,500. All right. 17,460. Cool. This is what I want. So I'm going to be transferring 17,460 to this individual. How do we do that? Where is this account number? Okay, we are going to figure that out together. So I'm going to hit on buy. After clicking on buy, it brings me to this page. So this page reveals this individual's account details and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be transferring the sum of 17,460 Naira to this account number. Where's the account number? So the next thing I'm going to be doing is click on the pay now button. So now this is the account number I'm going to be sending the money to. The bank name is MoneyPoint and the name of the dealer is Bridget, right? So I'm just going to copy the bank account number. Then I have some money on this wallet. So I'm going to click on transfer to bank. I'm going to paste that account number here. Then let's confirm the name of the bank. Bank name is MoneyPoint, all right. So MoneyPoint Microfinance Bank, I'll click on that. Then let's see if this name aligns with the name on the page. You need to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, Bridget, okay, I think we are on point. So I'll click next. So confirm details, yeah, confirm. And then I'm going to enter the amount here. Once again, let me confirm the amount. All right, I've copied the amount. It's on copy. Then I'll paste the amount I'm transferring here. in Naira, of course. And that is it, 17,460. Then I'll click next, confirm to pay, and then I'll enter my password. So transfer successful. So I'll go back there and click on payments completed. So to ensure restriction on P2P, please ensure payments are made from an account that matches your registered name. Very, very important, guys. All right. Very, very important. So I'll click on that and click on confirm. So I'm just going to wait for a minute or two or some few seconds for the seller to release my coin. All right. Remember, I am buying 11 USDT. So I'm going to be using that 11 USDT to pay for the 5K prop firm that I'm going to be showing you next. All right. They are actually offering an insane discount. I did a video on that some couple of days or weeks ago. So if you've not seen that video, go watch it. The promo is going to be ending this month of March. So do yourself a favor and act quickly. So let's wait on our seller to release our coin. So if you want to have a conversation with the seller, just click on contact seller and I'll just type, please release coin. This is my first time using Bybit anyway, so I don't have any coin. I only just opened this account a few days ago. I've actually not loaded it. So this is my first time using Bybit, all right? I am a big fan of Binance, but since we've been restricted from using Binance, I'm talking about Nigerians now, we can't use the P2P. So I just wanted to do this from the scratch for you guys. So, and that is it. Our seller just released our coin. So as you can see, I've received 11 USDT. Let's proceed to purchasing our accounts. All right. So you can see now in our funding account, we have 11 US dollar. All right. So good. Now let's go to our prop firm page. All right. I'm going to close this. I'll go to the page. So Swift funding, the link to this discount is going to be in the description below, and how to also access that insane discount. So I'll just sign in. So this is a raw video, by the way. So let's just have fun. There will be no serious editing to this video. And good. So remember, the discount is actually on the pro account, the Swift funding pro account. So we'll tap on start challenge. I'll start pro challenge. Then of course my country is Nigeria, challenge type pro. Then the discount is actually on the $5,000 account. All right, choose that. Then I'm going to be using DX Trader, not C Trader. If you use C Trader, you will not be able to get the discount. So stick with DX Trader. Then the broker is Think Market, account type standard. There's nothing to really fill in there. Then here is where you enter your name and all of those good stuffs. Phone number, I'm going to punch in my phone number. So under address, I'm going to enter my address also. After entering all your details, now you want to scroll down, terms and conditions, accept, because we have no option than to accept if we actually want to buy an account. Then cancellation and refund policy, I agree. Then we scroll the way down. Now under discount code, you want to type this particular code, 5K. Then after typing 5K, just like I mentioned in the video, you want to click on verify. Discount code is verified. Now instead of paying $49, we are going to be paying $10. All right. So after clicking on that, you want to complete your order. So your order has been received. Swift Pro Challenge, 5,000 accounts, DX Trade, Think Market, subtotal 49, discount 5K 39. So total amount owed $10. So let's proceed to payments. So if you are not automatically redirected to the payments page, click the button below. So I'm just going to click on go to payments. So under payments, we have different options to choose from: the credit card, crypto deposit, AstroPay, blah, blah, blah. So we are going to be going with crypto deposit because that's the purpose of this video. Remember I said this is the first time using Bybit. I actually use Binance, right? So guys, we are just going to wait for 24 hours. Then I'm going to come back and complete this video. I'm so sorry for this, guys. See you later. So welcome back, guys. After the 24-hour period, Swift funding suspended the discount and now they are back. So now I'm going to proceed with our video. So now I have everything chosen just like I explained in our original video. And as you can see, the total amount owed is $10. So I'm just going to click proceed to pay. So if I click on proceed to pay, it brings me to this page. Remember, we are paying with crypto. So I'll scroll down to crypto deposit and I'll choose that. Meanwhile, you can see that we are paying just $10 for this account. So I'll click on crypto deposit, brings us here. Remember, we are going to be paying with USDT since that was the coin we acquired. But in this case, when you come to USDT, you are going to see ERC20, which is Ethereum. We are going to see USDT Solana. Then we are going to see USDT TRC20. That's the one I prefer. So I'm going to be choosing USDT TRC20. Done. Then I'll click on pay now. Then after hitting on the pay now button, you can either scan this code. That is, if you're buying this account on your computer and you're paying from your phone, let's say the crypto wallet is actually on your phone. But if that is not the case and you are trying to purchase from the same phone, then you just need to scroll down. Then you copy this wallet address by hitting this folder in front of it. So I'll click on that. So the wallet address is copied. Now I'll go to Bybit. Now under Bybit, I want to locate the withdraw button. So to locate the withdraw button at the bottom of your software, you go to assets, far right, bottom of your software. Then go to assets, click on that, and then click on withdraw. All right. So I'll tap on withdraw. Then under withdraw, I'm going to be choosing USDT. All right. Under USDT, you can see I have $248 on my spot wallet and $11 on my funding wallet. Don't let that confuse you. Let's just proceed. Then we go to USDT. Then under USDT, we have to paste our address. So under address, we are going to paste what we just copied from the previous page, which is this, right? Then we'll go back and paste that address here. All right. Then under network, we are going to be choosing TRC20, USDT TRC20, which is the first on the list here. So we are going to be paid. They are going to be charging us $1.3 for this transaction. So we'll tap on that. And that is why usually when you're buying your USDT, you want to buy a little bit higher. Yeah, I talked about buying $11, but this fee is actually fluctuates. So today it is actually showing $1.3, which I am more than willing to pay. So which means the total money I'm going to be spending on this transaction will be $11.3. So under amount, I'm going to put our $10 that they are going to be charging us. So I'm going to put the $10 and I'm going to be choosing spot wallet. Since what they are going to be charging me is $11.3 and what I have in my funding account is $11 is not enough. So I'll choose the one with more money. So I'll be going with spot wallet. Now we'll scroll down. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the withdraw button. I hope I'm doing the right thing. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. So amount received is $10. Withdrawal fees is $1.3. No verification needed next time. Then I'll click on confirm. So now they are going to send you a code to your register emailed address and your two-factor verification app. So I'll just quickly copy that now. So I'm going to blur this for privacy's sake. So after pasting the code, I'll just click on confirm. Withdrawal application submitted. So as you can see, our withdrawal is under request. So now the next thing we want to do is to go to our Swift funding page and click on return to shop after payment. So I'll click on return to shop. So yeah, I received an email that our order received. This is your receipt for your recent Swift funding order completion, blah blah blah. So if you come back to the Swift funding page, you can see that one of our orders has been marked as paid. So yep, I will be receiving my login details and every necessary details, which I'll be attaching screenshots at the end of this video. That is it. This is how you make payment for any account using crypto. And even if it's not related to prop firms, this is how you go about purchasing stuffs online using crypto. Give us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and also leave us a comment or suggestion where necessary. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.